Every day we recharge our phones, but we forget to recharge ourselves. Let's just say we slept well the night before, which means we start our day with 100% charge. When we wake up in the morning, we roll over and 80% of us check our smartphones before we brush our teeth. We scroll through social media, we browse through an email that takes away our energy. We convince ourselves technology is helping. The reality is people don't seem enough for us these days. We condense books into articles, into lists, into gifts, because who has time to read an actual sentence anymore? We scroll and click and double tap our lives away, wondering where the day goes. We are more anxious than any generation before us, yet keep downloading another app, hoping that it could fix us. We look to the latest trends, check the reviews on Yelp, investigate on the hashtags, yet in a world with so much information, we are somehow still missing the wisdom of our life. We crave a real connection, but we had rather text about the hard conversations. We desire relationships, but settle for following each other on Twitter. We stare at pretty pictures on Instagram instead of the person standing right in front of us. We prefer filter images to reality. We listen to a new podcast over a person's day. We check social media more than we check in with our friends. In our constant need for new information, new insights, new everything, we lost the chance to make old memories. We like being busy, we wear it like a badge of honor. We can't focus because we are being pulled in 50 different directions. We can't commit because there always seems to be another option, a better alternative. We have trust issues with the people we have known for years, yet we trust someone's review that we just saw on Amazon. We want to hold our hands while still holding onto our phones. We scroll through Twitter while having lunch with our friends. We always need the latest, the newest, the most up to date, and then wonder why relationships don't last. We walk around stores on FaceTime and text during work because a life without multitasking feels inefficient. We complain that nothing feels real anymore, but we don't give anything time to become real. We complain nothing feels authentic today as we select new filter on our selfies. We recharge our devices but not ourselves. When we are out of time, we just add more to our schedules. We don't know who we want to become because we are too distracted by who everyone else is becoming. How many times has anyone ever said to you, I want your time? Whenever you hear that, know this truth. What people really want is your energy. Imagine if you gave someone an hour of your time, but the whole time you were completely distracted on your phone, versus if you gave someone 10 minutes of your complete energy. I'm sure that any of us would select option 2, because what we are really searching for is energy. What we are really searching for is attention. What we are really looking for is presence. What we are really after is affection. So what we really need to do is give people our energy, not just our time. Take a moment, take time to reflect, take a step back. Who are the people that make you forget to look at your phone? Spend time with them. Starve your distraction. Feed your focus. You can't do big things if you are always distracted by the small ones.